crumbling at our feet. The skies are filled with gray. The Savior's calling to his sheep, and he will lead the way. We know his voice, we've heard it before. We know the words he says. He is the light, we'll follow him to the end. Though fires may burn and storms may rage, when darkness comes, we'll find our way back home. We will trust in the Lord. Though tears may fall and friends may leave, we see his light, and that's where we will go. We will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord. We won't be blinded by the rain. The path we're on is clear. There may be mountains on the way, but we choose faith, not fear. He opens our eyes, fills us with peace, lifts up our weary souls. He is the light, and we'll never be alone. The fires may burn and storms may rage, when darkness comes, we'll find our way back home. We will trust in the Lord. Though tears may fall and friends may leave, we see his light, and that's where we will go. We will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord with all of our hearts. We won't trust in the world, we'll trust in the one who made us all. Though fires may burn and storms may rage, when darkness comes, we'll find our way back home. We will trust in the Lord, the Lord. The tears may fall and friends may leave, we see his light, and that's where we will go. We will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord. Through my hills and valleys, every storm-tossed sea, I can feel my Savior so close to me. He leads me forward through paths unknown, and when my strength is gone, he heals my weary soul and shows me who I could be. He stays with me, and I know I can do all things when I'm sinking in the waves. If I reach out for his grace, he will rescue me. I can do all things with the Savior by my side. I can climb to greater heights, find the strength I need. I can do all things with Christ. I can do all things with Christ. I will cross that desert, though it's far and wide. When I feel the hunger and I hear the lies, I will pray to can do all things with Christ. You were there from the beginning. You put the love in my heart. When I pray, you are listening. I know you're never too far. You know the thoughts inside my soul. You take my fears and make me whole. You light up my dark and show me the way, the way. You're the only one that knows me like no one else knows me. I can't believe the price you paid so that you could feel my pain. You're the only one that loves me like no one else loves me, and no one could do what you've done. You're the only one. You're the only one. I see a light through all the darkness, leading me back to your side. I read your words and all the hopeless disappears into the night. So take my life, start molding me to be what I was meant to be. I'll follow your love, so show me the way, the way. You're the only one that knows me like no one else knows me. I can't believe the price you paid so that you could feel my pain. You're the only one that loves me like no one else loves me, and no one could do what you've done. You're the only one. You're the only one. You're the only one that knows me like no one else knows me. I can't believe the price you paid so that you could feel my pain. You're the only one that loves me like no one else loves me, and no one could do what you've done. You're the only one. You're the only one. When you look at yourself, tell me, what do you see? The many small imperfections, or what's underneath? Do you know who you are? I hope you understand. You are a child of a God who made you, and He made you divine. Like a star that's shining in the sky, you're an angel learning how to fly. It's a blessing to everyone alive. It's not a lie. Divine. You were sent from heaven up above, and your worth is more than you can know. It's a truth that no one can deny. We can't deny. Divine. He He just wants you to see what He sees in you. There is a power in your heart that you always knew, so don't keep it inside. You can shine so bright. You are a child of a God who made you, and He made you divine. Like a star that's shining in the sky, you're an angel learning how to fly. It's a blessing to everyone alive. It's not a lie. Divine. You were sent from heaven up above, and your worth is more than you can know. It's a truth that no one can deny. We can't deny. Divine. It's a blessing to everyone alive. It's not a lie. Divine. You were sent from heaven up above, and your worth is more than you can know. It's a truth that no one can deny. We can't deny. Divine.
I don't understand it, but I feel it in my heart. It's a healing that fills me, and it shines through the dark. I've been forgiven, all my wrongs have been erased, and it just took a little faith. How is it done that beggars like me can feel the love He freely gives, that opens eyes and makes us free? How does this hope live in my soul? And though I don't deserve His grace, I know that He will make me whole. How is it done? How is it done? I can't hold my head up. My Redeemer carries me through the deserts, through the mountains, and He fills me with peace. It's so overwhelming, but I'm grateful for the light that leads me through my darkest nights. How is it done that beggars like me can feel the love He freely gives, that opens eyes and makes us free? How does this hope live in my soul? And though I don't deserve His grace, I know that He will make me whole. How is it done? How is it done? Ooh, how is it done? The beggars like me can feel the love He freely gives, that opens eyes and makes us free. How does this hope live in my soul? And though I don't deserve His grace, I know that He will make me whole. How is it done? How is it done?
ravano ety manjombondavare aviry ondry o Kristy atoro zay ale isikane mahay sinandre reo teny izay lazay lay azavany arahintsika trany nahafy mandoro tafiotrako nahaizimbe otody soisik ny tomponoto na isy ranomaso na isy andao na iazavany fa niloantsik ny tomponoto ny tomponoto tsisy zavona jambeny ilalantsika izy raha ireo sedra sese ny filonatao viapi fa izy anome tiadanampo atongatsika lay azavany tiamelantsika irery nahafy mandoro tafiotrako nahaizimbe otody soisik ny tomponoto na isy ranomaso na isy andao na iazavany fa niloantsik ny tomponoto ny tomponoto afomanoto sika tokiny tompo atoky azy rehefa tsy niay nahafy mandoro tafiotrako nahaizimbe otody soisik ny tomponoto na isy ranomaso na isy andao na iazavany fa nilo